Oh. How you feeling?
Oh, still ropey. I think I did drink a bit too much.
I doubt it, because they were all mocktails in there.
You are? Well, you'd better get us a Rioja then.
I don't think that's a good idea, do you?
For medicinal purposes.
Did you eat something dodgy?
Oh, Tony's prawn balls. They always go right through me.
Right, well, that'll be that then. Right, drink this, okay? Don't worry, I'm not going to leave your side. I'm here.